In this video, I'll be showing you how to access Secure Folder on Samsung phone and locate it. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, having a secure folder can be useful because it's basically just like an extra layer of protection for any files or anything like that that you want protected. So what you can do is swipe up. I have my secure folder right here, but if you can't find it in your applications, you can go to search on the bottom, then just type secure folder and it should come up. Now, if it still doesn't come up, what you want to do is you want to go over to your settings. So I'm going to go over to my settings right now. From here, I'm just going to scroll down until I see security and privacy, which is right under lock screen and AOD. So go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're here, you want to scroll down and then you're going to see more security settings under security status of your devices. So just go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to see a lot again, and all you want to do is go to secure folder, which is under block USB connections while locked. So just find secure folder. It's going to automatically open the app. And then you can just obviously type in your PIN that you have previously allocated to secure folder, and then you'll be in secure folder and you'll be good to go. Now it's as simple as that. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to let us know down in the comments below